see your hands on me. I can feel yourself on me. I can see your hands on me. And I can feel yourself on me. Did you never get off your mask? Did you never see your faces? Truth and complications are different from you. I'm pretend that you know what is reality. All the days I hurt myself, I lost memories. All the nights I hurt myself, did not fall asleep. Today I'm alone, I work on my own. Will I survive or drop in the night? Will I survive?